Hi, here we are again, Robin the Sudoku guy with tutorial number 52. And in this tutorial, I'm going to do a difficult puzzle and just show you a couple of tricks. Let's have a look at this. When I first look at a puzzle, I look to see if there's something that just stands out. And now, when I looked at this, I immediately saw, well, here's a 4, there's a 4, and there's a 4 down here, so this has to be a little 4. Whoops. That's a little 4. Let's have a look in here. We had a 5, 5. We got a 5, 5 in here. 5, 5 in there. 2, 2. Well, this has to be a 2. Okay. And let's go down here a little more. Here's a 3. This has got to be a 3. Basically using TMB and LCR. So here we go. Oh, here's another one. Here's using LCR. Center, left, right. This is going to be a 5. So they were the easy ones. Now let's look to see if there's something tricky that we can be aware of. If I look at this block here, and this row here, there is a 1 and a 9. Therefore, in this row, they cannot go here, so they have to go there, which means we're going to have a 1, 9 matching pair. 1, 9 matching pair. That's a little clue that really helps. Now, knowing that we know that there's a 1, 9 matching pair in there, let's see, the 4, let's take the 4. The 4 cannot go there, it has to go there or there. Let's take the 8. Oh, look at the 8. Here's an 8. They cannot be in here because they are spoken for. It cannot be there. It has to be there, because if it's there, that's 8's in the way. So let's take the 8 first. Now, let's go back again to the 4 I just noticed here. This 4 is on the right. We can't have a 4 there. We can't have it in here because it's spoken for matching pair. So the 4 has to go there. If the 4 has to go there, up here we can get rid of that 4, and this becomes your big 4. Wow. All because we recognize the 1, 9. Now, let's have a look at it again a bit more at this. Here's a 1, here's a 1, there's a 1 all right there. What about a 7? Well, now a 7 can't be in there. Could a 7 be there? Maybe. What about a 9? Well, not sure about that one either. But so let's look at other numbers. What have we got left in this here? Well, there's only one number left. It's a 3. Okay, well that's going to be helpful. If that's a 3 and that's a 3, we need to have a 3 up in here and a 3 there. Good. Now with the 7 and 9, let me see. Oh look, I didn't see this. We have a 2 and a 2. This has to be a 2. Okay, now we're left with 2 in this whole column, so it has to be a 7 and a 9. So this is a 7, 9 matching pair. And this one there and that one there. Now that means that a 9 has to be 9, 9. Well, this has to be a 9 using LCR. This has to become the 9. Okay, and what about the 7? Well, the 7 could go there or there. What are we left with? In this block, we're only left with one number, so this has to be a matching pair. It's a 6, 7 matching pair. Now, if that's a 6, 7 matching pair, let's take the 7, 7, 7, that would work. Take the 6, 6, one of these is a 6 in the center, right. One of these is a 6 as well. So we have another matching pair. That's neat. Now let's see what else we can find. We've done a lot in the center section here, but let's have a look over here. Oh look, here's a 1, 1. That has to be a 1 there or there. And here's a 3, 3, 3. This has to be a 3 as well. So if that's a 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, we have another matching pair. Neat, eh? Now, let's look at that. What does that mean? Well, here, look, here's something. It's called the cleaver. We have a 3, 3 here and a 3, 3 there, And using the rule of the cleaver, this will be the handle of the cleaver. So 3, 3, 3, 3 is the blade of the cleaver, and the handle is here, and this means that the 3 has to go there because it can't go in this part of the handle because there's a 3 down in here. Well, and that leads us to all kinds of things. That's just all I'm going to do for so far for this particular tutorial. You may want to copy it down and finish it off if you wish. So that's it for this session. Bye for now.